English conversation. Listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. A family cleans the house. Hey, Ben, aren't you ready to tidy up?
No, I'm not. I'll take all day. And I'm trying to find my hockey stick.
No, it won't take all day. And maybe we can find your stick while we can.
Okay, what's the first thing we need to do?
We need to find the cleaning supplies.
They're below the kitchen sink. And the vacuum and the broom are inside. The closet in the dining room.
Okay. Hey, aren't you going to get the supplies?
I will, but can you do the laundry? The washing machine is empty. So we'll be able to wash the pillowcases, the sheets and the comforter.
Okay, that's a good idea. I don't think everything will fit in the washer. It'll overflow. I'll start with the sheets. Where's the laundry basket?
It isn't on top of the dresser in the bedroom.
That's where we always put it. I didn't move it.
I found it. You're not going to believe where it was.
Was it between the bookshelf and the TV? By the coffee table? Next to the bathroom cabinet?
No, it was outside.
Oh, wow. Well, I'm glad you found it.
All right, Anna. What's next?
Well, we need to clean the rug and the carpet in the living room.
You can do that. I'll clean the bathroom.
Don't forget to scrub between the sink and the toilet.
I'll wipe down the mirror, too. Do you need any help?
I'm trying to move the couch, but it doesn't want to move. And I don't want to scratch the floor.
That's because there's something under it, silly.
I didn't see anything.
Look, beside the lamp. It'll surprise you.
It's your hockey stick. We found it. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.